Hey everybody, John Steyer, and we're back at it again. Here we go, the FCEF 10-week apprenticeship program, and we are on the tile portion. You can see behind me, the guys are having a good time.
Oh yeah.
Freddie and Darlington are doing great. But I'm going to turn you guys around here. I want to show you what everybody's up to today. So everybody's kind of at a different spot. Last week we spent some time cutting tile, going over our layout. And then today, everybody is playing with thin set. And we all know how fun that was the first time we got to do this. And everybody is so far enjoying what they're doing. Freddie is just about ready to wrap up his. Thorsha, she's working on getting her cuts all made. And she'll be joining the guys here shortly with thin setting tile down. All right, Aiden, you got any thoughts on playing with thin set?
Where's on my patience?
Fair enough. Great answer. Great answer. Gerald, what are you thinking about this so far?
I am so excited
Good.
to be part of this class.
Good.
Thank you so much for your time you take to be able to see what you, John.
Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. Mr. Raceway, Speedway himself, Darlington, how we doing, buddy? What do you think?
I'm doing good.
You having a good day?
Yeah, I'm so excited. At least
Yep.
it came our way and I'll teach you how to do this. And I'm so happy. And I hope you can help you up for everyone.
Yeah. Oh, well, good.
Thank you so much for your hard work.
Yeah.
We
Oh,
appreciate
yeah,
it.
yeah. Well, and Darlington, he's kind of changed his name to the natural. Everything he touches, he's just got a smooth move on it. Freddie over here, kind of get a thumbs up from you? Heck yeah, he's having a good time. Thorsha, how about that saw? What's one of the highlights you got so far of this class?
Lynn's house.
Great answer. Favorite instructor?
I like John and Ryan.
John and Ron. All right.